Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ports and hardware so nothing surprises you mid-setup. Unplug devices and identify the VGA output on your PC and the VGA input on each monitor. If a monitor lacks VGA, get an adapter. Once done, decide between passive and active splitters. You want an active splitter for independent resolution handling. Plug the splitter into power now, then connect the PC VGA cable to the splitter input so the signal source is ready. Now connect the cables. Plug the PC VGA into the splitter input, then run two VGA cables from the splitter outputs to each monitor. Power the splitter and both monitors, then boot or wake your PC so the system can detect displays. Next, open your operating system display settings. If using an active splitter that supports independent outputs, choose Extend and set native resolutions. If the splitter duplicates, select Clone and set the common resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Finish by confirming each monitor shows the intended image and adjust refresh rates to match. Mismatched rates cause flicker. Make sure color and scaling look correct and secure all cable thumb screws. If a monitor stays dark, first reseat connectors and swap outputs to isolate a bad cable or port. Also test a known good monitor. If problems persist, update splitter firmware or try a different active splitter. A passive unit often fails with different resolutions, so replace it if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.